Hello, my dear student. Now, in this class, I'm going to recapitulate this chapter, that is lesson 3, Communities on Move. Now, let's revise. Often, farmers in village are so poor that they need to borrow money from agents to run their families. The agents keep a record of the loans taken by the farmers. In exchange of the loan, they are made to work in the field by the richer farmers. Often, they need to temporarily shift base to sugarcane field in search of work. So, they keep moving from one place to another for work and often live away from their native villages for even 6 months at a stretch. And this causes their children to become irregular in school, thus neglecting their studies. So, children, this was the recapitulation of this chapter. Now, I have some definitions for you, which I am going to tell you. Like definition, like first one is food crop, a crop that is raised for human consumption. Second one, that is cash crop, a crop that is grown for selling and earning profit, that is for commercial purpose. For example, sugarcane, cotton, jute, etc. Now the third one, that is farming. The activity of growing crop and raising livestock is called farming. And the last one, that is Mukaddam. Mukaddam is an agent who helps the farmers in finding new job and also lends money. So children, these were the definitions which you have to learn, and now I am going to do some question answer. So first question, that is, what are the important elements used in farming? The answer for this question is machinery. First one, machinery. Second, seeds. Third, irrigation method. Fourth, land under cultivation. And the last one, that is fertilizers and pesticides. So these were the elements used in farming. Now second question is, what are the merits of farming? Now the merits of farming are, it provides earning opportunity to people. Second point, it provides food to the whole nation. And the third point, that is, it also enables export and import of goods. So these were the merits of farming. Now the third question, that is, what are the demerits of farming? So the answer for this question is, excessive farming leads to the degradation of soil over the years. Modern techniques of farming causes pollution. So these are the demerits of farming. Now fourth one, that is, how does rainfall play an important role in the farmer's life? So the answer for this question is, more than 60% of the population in India is dependent on agriculture, and that is dependent on rainfall. Most of the farmers still today are not well equipped with modern method of irrigation. So they are dependent on rainfall, and crops like rice, pulses, etc. depend on rainfall, which helps farmers to earn profit. So children, these were the questions which I have discussed today, and you have to go through it. Now, there is a mind map to draw. You have to draw this mind map. Show how people feel when they move to city and stay away from the family. You have to make a mind map for this. How people feel when they move away from their family. Now at last, there are some assignment questions. Like first one is, talk to a vegetable vendor, domestic help or a sweeper to find out about his family and get detailed information about the occupation of his family members, and write a synopsis in your notebook. And the second one, that is, carry out a research on the internet with the help of a parent about the various factors that play a role in the lives of the farmer. Then prepare a small write-up on the MS Word. So these are the questions which you have to do, and children, go through this chapter because in the next class you will have your revision test. Okay, have a nice day children. Thank you.